Oh, there's a car behind you. I have to wait. He's good. He's good. Looks good.
Well, we're going down the driveway too.
Aha.
So, that's pretty good. Film, first time in, huh?
Yeah, look at that. That's how you do it. I don't know why anybody would tow a boat on the back of their truck. This works much better. This guy either needs a bigger driveway or a smaller boat. Ooh. Okay, dirt, Dave, bring it towards the dirt. Said, you bring it towards the house a little bit. This temporary fence is gonna hit your fender. Jeez. There's only one way to do this. He's got an inch on either side. Okay, good. Good, yeah. All right, well that was easy. His driveway is about an inch wider than his trailer. And so the boat has reached its resting place here in the backyard. Located beneath the scenic Hollywood sign. Looming in the distance, right